All right, here it is, 10 a.m. and look at what this storm looks like. Um, Notice the little puffy areas of precipitation that pop up and then disappear. In Jacksonville and around Springfield, Missouri, as they are apparently switching NEXRADs or the harp off or whatever those indicate in order to steer the storm. All right, notice that the 6 little puffballs north of the border are gone, and just the one northeast of Maine seems to fire up, and it would appear that the one in Ottawa is under more significant precipitation. If they're even using them at this point is anybody's guess, I suppose. Uh, if anybody can explain this, it'd be much appreciated. Um, I'm not making any claims. I'm just saying that it appears that there's something funny going on. We know that if you Google Harvard solar geoengineering funding, that you get to Harvard's site that shows you, yes, people are paying for weather modification. So, if this stalls and turns into a nor'easter and my house washes away or turns out to be a superstorm Sandy or something, yeah. Um, doesn't appear anything happens by coincidence anymore.